Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Sisi here. Today we're going to make banana milkshake. So I'm going to show you the procedure and how we are going to make banana milkshake, a healthy milkshake at home. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so when I post any video, be among the first one to be notified. Guys, subscribe. I road to 1,000 only subscribers before the end of 2023. Please help me reach there. Thank you. Let's go now. So guys, here I have my 4 bananas, as you can see, my 4 bananas, and then I have peanuts, I have a teaspoon, I have cinnamon powder, which is good to add for your taste, and then I'm going to use fresh milk. So let's start, guys, and see how I'm going to make. And I have also my blender here, so I'm going to use Bullet, which is magic bullet, and it's very nice for making healthy shakes. And I have the jar here, so I'm going to make and show you how I'll do it. So guys, I'll peel my banana. As I peel my banana, so I'll cut it into my jug. Guys, I normally do this whenever I have like a lot of bananas and maybe they're about to go to spoil, or maybe they are overripe. So sometimes you can make with them shake, or you can make with them pancake. They are very good with the pancake. So as I said, when they are overripe, don't throw your bananas. You can make milkshake, or you can make pancake with them. So I'll add, they have one. So remember, I'm using the milk, and before I do that, I'll add my cinnamon powder, which is very good. It adds a good taste. I don't put too much. This is what I will put. And then, as I showed you, I have nuts, so I'll just put little nuts, peanuts, and then I'll add my fresh milk. If you want to be thick, don't put too much milk. So I'm thinking to add another banana. As you can see, my bananas are overripe because I kept them for a long time. So I don't want to throw my bananas. I'll make the shake. So guys, I'll add the other banana. And then I'll add more milk. Or you can mix milk and water if you want. Add a little of, I'll add more. Then I'll cover my jug, and we are ready to make our milkshake, banana milkshake. So my milkshake is there. So I don't want to make it so thick. I just want to make it light. And here is my cup. So I'll pour my shake. So this is how my shake looks like. Then you can just add like cinnamon again on top, just to make it beautiful. And next step, what I want to do is I'll take another banana. I'll peel my banana. Then I cut into slices, and the slice I'll cut again here, and I'll put it there to show it's a banana shake. Sorry. this is how I will serve finally. So I'll show you how it looks like. This is how my milkshake looks. On top, I have just decorated with cinnamon powder. And now it's ready to drink. Ready to drink our milkshake. So this is how I normally do my evening snack. If you have bananas, you can do milkshake or pancake. If you have strawberries, if you have avocado, you can do the same. Avocado, you add milk and make the shake. Strawberry, you add coconut water. Blackberries, coconut water or plain water, or even you can mix with watermelon and blend. So today, guys, this was my short video. Just want to let you guys know you need to eat healthy all the time. It's very important in our bodies. It's very important all the time to eat something healthy. So I want to say thank you so much for being with me. If it's your first time, kindly subscribe, share, click the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.